Hello again. In this video, I will show you the simple steps to mint a token on Mintbase. Let's start by accessing the Launchpad area and select the store where you want to mint your NFT and click Mint. On the Mint panel, you'll be able to start editing basic information about your token, like adding a cover image, name, and description. Add hashtags and select a category that suits your specific kind of NFT. You can also choose to mint multiple tokens at one time. In the Forever Media section, you'll be able to upload image, audio, video, or 3D files, having in mind to don't exceed the maximum uploading size. Let's take a look at the Forever royalties. They will go to you no matter how many times the token gets resold. If you wish to share the royalties with someone, add their near addresses in this field. It works the same with the split revenues that only happen first time the token gets sold. If you want to know more about how to customize royalties and revenues on Mintbase, follow this link. You can also add a date to your token and a location, add a Forever document file and link it with a website. And it's time to mint. Go ahead and allow the transactions that are extremely low on near blockchain. And success! You just minted your NFT.